Good day, everybody. Welcome to Barber Dave's Barbershop at Home. I'm Barber Dave, and we're going to do another DE shave today, except today we're going to be using the Blackland Tradere, or Tradere, however you want to pronounce it. This is a remake of the original Tradere razor. It's absolutely wonderful. It's got a brand new Nacet blade, and this is the open comb version. For the brush today, we'll be using a Paladin PK47 in Jade with a select badger knot. And for the software, really excited, just got this in, and this is from Frank at Ethos Grooming, and this is the GreenFresh. Now the GreenFresh is basically a lemongrass and a spearmint, which is really neat. Then of course the same matching skin food splash, aftershave splash. And then for the EDP, we're going to go with the Floris 1962. Now I actually bought this for this specific soap because it has a very heavy spearmint note. Now, right out of the gate, the packaging is wonderful, nice heavy glass jar, or PT. I'm not sure if I think it's plastic, but it looks like glass. Right out of the gate, you get hit with the lemongrass. It's just huge right in the face. But in the background is a spearmint leaf, not the crushed up spearmint, but the actual spearmint leaf. And then deep back there, and I imagine this will probably evolve as you shave, you get the kind of the sweet spearmint, like Wrigley spearmint gum. Really, really neat. So let's see how she... And I've got a damp brush. And all Frank soaps include a little spoon that you can scoop out some stuff directly and then put it into a bowl or right into the brush. I just load right on the... Nobody else uses this soap but me, so... It doesn't take much to load. I would say probably 20 seconds tops, and you get a pretty nice load. And I face lather, so... it doesn't take too much. Hope everybody's having a good Tuesday. We broke a small record last night. I think we got down to 30 something. The earliest we've gotten down into the 30s. Yeah, that sweeter spearmint, when you start putting it on the face, at least in the initial, is you start feeling that as well. But the lemongrass is definitely the biggest player right out of the gate. And as with all Frank's soaps, the lather is very easy to build. Will take quite a bit of water. And getting a little bit more of the sweet spearmint now. I would give the strength of scent probably 3.5, which for me is right about where I like it. Great cushion and glide. I used, obviously, one of my more aggressive open combs to see how well the cushion and glide was. And the slickness is really good. And the lemongrass and the spearmint are really starting to equal out now. Post residual is about what I expected. But once you add water to that, it becomes super slick. Again, right when you first start lathering, the initial hit of the lemongrass is just huge. If you've not tried Ethos Frank stuff, formerly Dragon's Beard, you need to. It's good stuff. Packaging and the quality of the ingredients is important and very natural, very good for your skin. Feels great on the face. One thing I am noticing about the Nacet blades, is I'm relatively new to them, is they're pretty smooth right out of the gate. Yeah, now the spearmint is, the underlying spearmint is really starting to come through a little bit more, but then as soon as you start lathering again, the lemongrass says hello. Now, if you'd like to order any of Frank's Ethos stuff, you can contact him via his vendor page on the Tradere, because he's got quite an extensive library of scents. Just a touch of water. I'm not sure of the formulary of GreenFresh, if it's the same as his Success line. I will say that this will take on a little bit more water, which is good, because it allows you to really dial it in the way you want. Don't forget to sign up for our Wednesday Zoom call, TSC members. That's our game night. And I would imagine Shad will probably have that sign up either already up or up soon. I have not been on the site this morning. The residual slickness does get better without liquid, but for cleanup, I always like to have it really, really slick. So there you go, 3 and out with a DA. The Tradere is a wonderful, wonderful razor. Heavy, open comb, Really nice. Okay, let's see what the alum report card says. Zero feedback. Zero. Even in the dented bumper that I did yesterday. Real nice. You can really still smell the lemongrass. The spearmint's, the sweeter spearmint's really more apparent now. But definitely a Diaz BBS shave. And I would have to probably bump that strength of scent up a little bit because you're still getting it. Face feels good. And then the aftershave splashes, the skin food, is fantastic. And the reducer in the bottle and everything's great. It's easy to hold on to. You don't need a lot, probably a couple drops. And this thing will make you work for the drops. Now see, with this, I'll get a little bit more, a little bit less of the lemon and more of the spearmint leaf and the sweet spearmint. But not sweet as in cloying. It's a wonderful, wonderful, and it makes your face feel really good. And you don't need a lot of this skin food splash. I do have, Frank was kind enough to send the oil as well. I just didn't use it today. I'll use it over time. But really, really good stuff. Definitely recommend it. And it's definitely green. There is no doubt whatsoever. This is green, green, green. I'm going to be using boron talc today to let that mint come through. Normally I'd use the Parasso, but I want to see how this does by itself over time. Just a wonderful fragrance. I have to say that even though I'm a Ventus freak and the Success line I really like a lot, the fact that this has got the greenness and the spearmint, it does have, you know, it has a little bit of a feeling of, for those of you that remember SCS Fairway, it does have a little bit of a green grass, kind of freshly mowed lawn, but with the mint and the lemongrass. So there is that way I can detect it now with the aftershave, that you have a really, I mean, the name GreenFresh is about as good as you could get, because if you like the smell of a golf course and that fresh cut grass, you're going to like it. If you like lemongrass, you're going to love it. And if you like spearmint, you're going to love it. So there's really nothing wrong here at all. So I'll go ahead and finish up with the Floris 1962, which is an EDP, and it pairs wonderfully with this. I tried a little bit yesterday and layered it right on top of the other, and it was absolutely perfect. So there you got it. Green lemongrass, minty goodness. Once again, today, Ethos, GreenFresh. Definitely try it. If you haven't seen the cadre before, guys, please let us know. Come on over and see us at www.theshavingcadre.com. Hope you enjoy the rest of your week, and we'll see you next Sunday. Have a great day.